Hello, and welcome back to another video of me doing something completely obnoxious with my face. So we've been back from New Orleans for a couple weeks already, but I'm already missing it. I love New Orleans so much. Hopefully, maybe someday I'll be able to live there, maybe get a condo and live there part of the year, but yeah, I miss New Orleans already, so I thought today I would do a New Orleans inspired look. Even though at the time of this recording we're nowhere near Mardi Gras, I'm missing New Orleans, so we're gonna do a New Orleans styled look, or New Orleans inspired look rather. And hopefully this will be a pretty short video. I'm just gonna do something really quick because I gotta run out the door here in a few. So yeah, let's get to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my my base and my contacts off camera. So I'll be back in a second. And we're back. Yes, I'm wearing two different colored contacts. These are from TTDEye. One is green Floweriness and the other one is mystery purple, I think. Told you this was going to be an obnoxious makeup look, so we're off to a good start. All right, let's do something with these eyes. For this look, I'm going to be using Black Moon Cosmetics Urban Myth palette. I'm going to be using 4 colors total, the 2 purples, Paranormal and Chupacabra, and the 2 greens, Boogeyman and Crop Circles. Starting off with a fluffy brush, I'm going to be using Crop Circles, the darker green, right in the crease. And then dragging that under my eye as well. And just blending that out. Next, I'm going to be using the same color, Crop Circles, on my finger and putting it on the outer corner. I find that these colors turn out a lot more opaque when I use my finger versus a brush. And I'm also putting that in my inner corner as well. I'm just taking that fluffy brush again and blending out the edges a bit. Next, taking a liner brush, I'm using the same color and lining my lower lash line. Next, taking Boogeyman, the iridescent green, on my finger, I'm going to be applying that right to the center. Taking a bullet-shaped brush, I'm going to just be blending the line between the dark and the light greens. Taking the fluffy brush again, I'm just cleaning up a bit and dragging that green all the way to the bridge of my nose and just cleaning up the edges a bit. Moving on to the next eye, we're going to be doing the exact same thing but with the purple. So starting off with Chupacabra, we're going to be blending that right into the crease and under the eye as well, and also bringing it up to the bridge of the nose. Next, taking it on my finger, applying that to the outer corner and the inner corner. And just blending out the edges with the fluffy brush. Next, taking Paranormal, the iridescent purple, adding that right to the center of the lid. And next I'm going to be adding some gold glitter. So we're using the glitter from the Tati Beauty palette in Soothe. Putting a little bit on my finger and adding that just to the corner. We're going to be dragging that under the eye as well, about halfway, and then also a little bit to the upper side. Same thing on the other side, a little bit to the corner, dragging that under the eye as well, and a teeny bit on the upper lid. And here's where we're at so far. Boom, alright. For lashes, I use Black Moon Cosmetics Synthetic Lashes in Lynx. For the waterline, I use L'Oreal Extra Intense Pencil in black. And for the upper lash line, I use KVD Beauty Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black. For lips, I'm using KVD Beauty Liquid Lipstick in Lolita. And here we are with the finished look. Yes, I did paint my nails to match the eye look as well. I'm very happy with how this came out. I'm actually not that experienced with doing a halo eye look, and I think this came out beautifully. And there you have it, my New Orleans / Mardi Gras inspired look. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little makeup video, and I will see you in the next one.